Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Dropbox. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically saves your signed documents directly to your Dropbox account, eliminating the need for manual downloads and uploads. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard. Now look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Signed Documents. This will take you to the section where all your signed documents are stored and managed. In the My Signed Documents section, browse through your list of documents and locate the specific document you want to integrate with Dropbox. Once you've found it, click the Edit button next to that document. This will open up the document editor where you can make various modifications and adjustments. Now that you're in the document editor, look at the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your document, including integration settings. Once you're in the Settings tab, turn your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll see different menu options. Select Integrations from this panel. This section is specifically designed to help you connect Jotform Sign with various third-party applications and services. In the Integrations section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type Dropbox into this search bar and wait for the results to appear. When Dropbox shows up in the search results, click on it to proceed with the integration setup. You'll now be presented with the Dropbox integration interface. The first thing you need to do here is click the Authenticate button. This button establishes a secure connection between your Jotform Sign account and your Dropbox account. You may be redirected to Dropbox to grant the necessary permissions, so make sure you're logged into the correct Dropbox account. After authentication is complete, you'll see some additional options. If you want to organize your signed documents better, toggle on the option that says Create a subfolder for each submission. This feature automatically creates a new subfolder in your Dropbox for every document submission, keeping everything neatly organized. You can also map these folders to specific form fields if you want more customization in how your files are named and organized. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, click the Save button to complete the integration. Your Jotform signed documents will now automatically sync to your Dropbox account whenever they're signed. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Jotform Sign with Dropbox, and your signed documents will now be automatically stored in your cloud storage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.